In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $146 per day on YouTube and Clickbank without website. So you don't need website, you don't need any videos on your YouTube channel, you don't even need to create YouTube channel. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure to watch this video till end. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure to press that subscribe button because you don't want to miss that upcoming videos on this channel. And also, if you want to support me, press that like button to support me for making these free videos. Also, if you want to see my #1 recommendation, how to make money online, make sure to click the first link in the description. So let's jump straight into this video, guys. So there are 5 easy steps to success for this method. So I'm going to go through all of these steps. So first step is you need to pick a niche that you want to join on YouTube. So I would go with weight loss, and I'm going to explain you guys why. So here you can see I'm right now on YouTube, and I'm going to type in right here weight loss. So here you can see there are different videos, and what you want to do is you want to also download this tool called vidIQ. So if you want to, you can click the link in the description. Also, I'm going to link that tool also in the description, as I said, so you can check that out. You can download it for free. There are some paid versions, but you don't need paid version for this method. You can download it for free. So after you found the niche that you want to join, and we're going to go through weight loss, you want to find popular videos that are getting 1,000 plus views per day. So how are we going to see if this video is getting 1,000 plus views per day? We're going to use, as I said, this tool called vidIQ. So to show you guys this tool in action, let's open some of the videos. Let's say this one. So let's click it right now, and here you can see vidIQ opens up. So this video is getting 489 views per hour. So that is way over 1,000 views per day. So what we can see from this video is it is getting 24 hours times, let's say 500, that is around 6,000 views per day. So this video is getting 6,000 views per day, and it is pretty good one to pretty good one to work with. So I'm going to explain you guys why you want all of these videos. So you want to go and do a research. You want to save as many links as you can for these popular videos that are getting some of the views. Here you can see this one. It has 3 million views, and it is a little bit old. But here you can see this video is getting almost 1,000 views per hour, which could be around 24,000 views per day. So why are we looking for these videos? Because we're going to use these videos in our advantage to make some money. I'm going to explain you guys how you can start making money from the videos that you didn't even make. So this is going to be something very interesting. So you want to go and copy the links, you want to save email addresses. Then step 3 is to collect YouTubers' email addresses. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. When you always open some of the YouTube channels and you click on about, here you can see my email address. They almost always leave their email address for brand deals. And if you can't find email address, you can always search on Facebook. You can open, here you can see some Facebook pages. They also link sometimes Instagram, so you can go and DM these channels. So you want to collect as many contact information about these channels, and when you collect, let's say 10 email addresses from 10 different YouTube channels, you want to go on step 4. So step 4, we're going to create Clickbank account. So what are we going to do with Clickbank account? What is Clickbank? It is digital marketplace where you can sell other people's products for commission. So when I say we are selling other people's products. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to ship the item. You don't need to own anything. You don't need to create anything. The only thing that you need is to send people through to your link. So I'm going to show you guys everything step by step how to do it. If you don't have Clickbank account, you probably have if you are my subscriber, but if you don't have Clickbank account, go on clickbank.com. You're going to see a page like this. Click on create account, and in few easy steps you're going to create your Clickbank account. It is free, so you don't need to pay for anything. You're going to make money with Clickbank. You're not going to need to pay for anything. So after you create your Clickbank account, you want to click on affiliate marketplace. Here you can see. So we are promoting weight loss offers. So here you can see there are tons of different categories: art and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems. So you don't want to promote something that is not related to weight loss. So we are going to search right here. You can see health and fitness. You want to click on that, and here you can see this is #1 weight loss on Clickbank. So this is #1 weight loss program on Clickbank. So here you can see how much money you can earn if you sell this product. So I'm going to explain you guys how you're going to take advantage of YouTube channels to make some money. So right here you can see $37.05 if someone buys this product through your affiliate link. So this is going to be where we're going to make our money. So we don't need to create any YouTube videos. The only thing that you need to do, you can also open the page so you can see how this sales page looks like. So this video, you can watch it if you want to. It is a sales video, and it is going to convince your viewer to buy the product. So they're going to explain how this product is going to help them lose weight, how a lot of people lost weight with this product, and if they again buy the product, you're going to earn $37.05. So how you can promote the product? If you're registered on Clickbank, just click on promote, and you want to enter here your Clickbank ID. So when you enter your Clickbank ID right here, click on generate hop link. So when someone clicks on this is your affiliate link. So this is how you Clickbank is going to know that you send that customer, and if someone buys through your affiliate link, you're going to earn a commission. So you want to copy this link, just click right here, and you can close the page. So as you can see, this link looks very ugly. So you can go on tiny URL and you can paste your Clickbank link right here. So this is your ugly link. You can see different numbers, different letters, dots. It looks very ugly in my opinion. So what you want to do is you want to click on make tiny URL, and you can see it looks much better now. So just to show you guys how it looks like, when someone clicks on this URL, they're going to send your customer directly to the sales page. So when someone buys this product, again, you're going to earn $37.05. So why are we searching for YouTube videos that are getting some views? Because people that search on YouTube, for example, how to lose weight, here you can see weight loss hacks. So they're searching for these videos because they want to lose weight. They're not randomly searching for these words. And when someone watch these videos, they have amazing tips how to lose weight. And you can see right here, this is a perfect example. So this is affiliate link, and when someone clicks on this affiliate link and they buy anything, she's going to earn commission. So here is our step 5. You want to contact the owner that YouTube owner that doesn't have any links in their description. So why we contacted them? You want to offer them you can offer them a commission. So you can tell them, hey, if you put this link in the description, and when someone buys this product, you can earn $20. So when you give her $20, you're going to keep $17 for yourself. So again, a lot of people are going to buy the product because they are searching for the weight loss method, how to lose weight. And Clickbank is going to be a perfect way, perfect money maker for yourself to lose weight. So here you can see there are tons of people that are already promoting affiliate links. You can see right here, these are affiliate links. You can see guide how to lose weight. So when someone clicks on this link, she's going to make some money. So you want to search for some of the videos that doesn't have any affiliate links in the description. So you can see this one probably doesn't have any. It does have. So you want to do a research. It is going to take some time. You can't really expect to make money in just a few seconds. You need to do research. Also, a good way to search for those videos is like weight loss transformation. So these people just upload their videos, and they don't know about affiliate marketing. They don't know about making money with affiliate links. So you can see right here, this guy doesn't have any affiliate links, and you can see 15 million views on this video. So imagine only 1% bought this product. You would probably make over $1 million just for posting affiliate link right here in description. So a lot of you guys are going to ask me what to write in that description. So you want to write something like how to lose weight, my weight loss guide, and you can put affiliate link. So this is what your YouTuber needs to put in their description so you can make some money. So again, you can see this video is getting over 30,000 views per day, and imagine only 1% if bought the product. Let's say only 30 people per day buys the product. You would earn over $900, let's say $1,000 per day just for recommending this product. So you can contact the owner. You can say like, I can pay you $100 per month to promote this link, or you can tell them if you want to, we can split the earnings and you can make money that way. So a lot of people don't know anything about affiliate marketing, so they're going to say yes because they're going to think it is a brand deal, and in some case it is a brand deal. So you're paying someone to promote your brand. So guys, that would be it for today's video. Those are 5 steps to make money on YouTube and Clickbank. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to press that like button. And my #1 recommendation, how to make money online, how to build online business, I really suggest you guys to click the first link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and